Good morning. It's Thursday, 21st on the West Coast in the Pacific time zone here. We're looking at the yen chart, the US yen chart, and it's setting up for a potential breakout. Intraday traders are probably puzzled because it seems to be going sideways with a ton of whipsaw. We're looking at a 60-minute chart here, so you can imagine on lower time frames, this is just really messy action. All along this chart, we've been bumping up against the resistance above here. I'm going to go to a higher time frame to make it more clear. Here's a 240 4-hour chart, and you can see the formation of a triangle here, upsloping blue trend line as the market tries to rally up, and then overhead I have a red resistance line that it keeps bumping against and struggling over there. Let's go to a daily chart, and you can see it even clearer. That's the upsloping blue trend line right there, and then we have some SK resistance, some Fibonacci resistance right here between 108.15, 108.67. Got a resistance zone there, and I've drawn a horizontal red line to represent that. So this chart's in a bit of a triangle formation, and there's a good chance it wants to break out. We can't be sure whether it breaks to the upside or the downside, but we need to know where that triangle is so that we can trade it no matter which direction it breaks out. So above, let's say above 108.70, we're in bullish zone, and we can buy dips intraday for a move up. There's the next significant resistance is up around 110.60 to 111 in that area. So a break up above that red resistance line would give us some long opportunities to the upside in that direction, and a breakdown below this supporting trend line here would give us some great shorting for a move potentially all the way down to 106 or even down towards the swing low we had here on January 23rd, which I have at just below 105. So we've got to watch this chart. It can't keep going sideways forever, and those are the key milestones. That resistance line right there, that's called 108.70. Above there it should be bullish, and we can buy dips intraday on lower time frames. And if it breaks below the supporting trend line, which you can draw on your chart along the lows, let's look at a 4-hour again, along the swing lows on this move up here, and if it breaks below that, we're in shorting territory. So the yen setting up for some potentially big move. We'll have to see how it materializes, and now you know how to trade it.